Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Mary Grace Lanado, 28 years old. I live here in General Santos City, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I have 3 children ages 8, 4, and 2 years old. I have 5 years work experience here in Philippines. I served 4 members of the family including 2 adults and 2 children. My main duty is taking good care of the children. I prepare them food every day, teaching them good habits, and I always make sure to keep them safe all the time. I can do also household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, and also washing the car. I consider myself as a self-disciplined, responsible, and a motivated person. I am also a fast learner. To my future employer, I promise to do and follow your rules and regulations. I hope I can work with you for a long term. Thank you so much and God bless.